60 seconds if I'm correct, Pidgin Yanis now what they do. And this morning we want to talk about Chelsea because it be like say the motto where Maurizio Sarri they carry drive this Chelsea side. Full don't finish inside, the tire don't bust and everything don't scatter inside because yesterday Bournemouth knocked Chelsea 4 goals to nothing. Chelsea fans they no feel believe them. And we wonder this morning waiting they happen before they send an attacker be Chelsea problem. Now Chelsea don't go sign Gonzalo Higuain. Why you be say nothing still they happen? I be Maurizio Sarri. This Sarri ball where we been the happy for, what been the ginger for that time. I be the Sarri ball now like this night day. I be the Sarri ball, you don't scatter. I be nothing they happen for the Sarri ball. Waiting they happen for Chelsea. Waiting happen yesterday. If you be Chelsea fan, if you be fan side for they watch football, waiting if it say happen yesterday, we make Chelsea lose that game by 4 goals to nothing. Not be saying 1 goal and they use lose 4-0 and they use lose. I want to know what you they think about that one. Sarri, some people don't talk saying stubborn, making come out jogging you carry and put for bench, carry can't put for that side. I don't know what is the reason. How you see the result of that match yesterday?